Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are doing this twisted bridal hairstyle. Okay, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, excuse my lash, but it was about to pop out. Okay, anyways, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video. Okay, so as you guys know the drill, I'm starting out on hair that is freshly washed, moisturized, and all that good stuff. So to start out this hairstyle, I'm just gonna section my hair. I'm taking the one in front and then I'll put the rest in the back. Okay, I'm just gonna use a ponytail holder to keep that hair away. Okay, all right, so starting on the sides, I'm just gonna section this part first, and then I'll go on the other side and do the same. And then the hair in the middle, I'll put that in a ponytail holder and put it away for now. Okay, so over here I was attempting to do like a little cornrow going on, but it was a fail. Okay, because I don't think you could really see it once I put the hair on it, but hey, okay, it is what it is. But the hairstyle was still cute. Okay, so I'm just sectioning that out, and then I'm just gonna use some shining jam to braid that corntail to braid that cornrow, just a tiny cornrow, a tiny braid. If you want, you can do a flat twist if it may be better for you, but that's all we're doing here. It's gonna be 2 cornrows going down. So this is the hair that I use. There's 3 packs in every package, so I have 3 twists for each package. So it's 1 pack, 1 twist. Okay, after I'm done braiding, I'm just going to use a rubber band and attach these 2 cornrows to the rest of the hair on that section. Okay, and after putting my hair in a rubber band, I did the same on the other side, just put it in a rubber band, except I didn't have 2 tiny cornrows on the side. That's the only difference. Okay, now to put it away, I'm just gonna twist the hair and put it away for now. Now we're about to work with the midsection. Okay, so with the midsection, I'm just trying to part my hair into 3 parts because I'm trying to have like a triangle thing going on in front. Okay, so I'm gonna part one line, and after I feel like okay, I've gotten the shape that I want, I'll go to the next and do the same. The next line will go the same direction as the other one, so I have like 2 lines going the same direction. It's always hard for me to explain stuff, but I hope you guys can see and get what I'm trying to say. Okay, after I'm done parting the hair, I'm gonna get some shining jam and to give it the hold and the shine that we need. Okay, even though I have to say the shining jam didn't really give me the kind of hold that I was looking for, but nevertheless it got the work done, so that's okay. So after I'm done parting the hair and doing all that good stuff, I'm just going to take the rest of the hair, attach it in the back, and now on to the fun part. Not so fun, but fun part. Okay, so I was just brushing the hair just to make sure that, you know, it's laid. Oh wait, I forgot, I'm gonna put a scarf that I have around my neck. I don't know why I had it around my neck, around my, you know, on my hair, just to further lay the hair. And then using this hair, okay, we're gonna attach the hair. So I twisted about 7 of them, I believe. There's 7 of them. I put everything in the description box, but yeah, I think it was 7 of them. So I'll start by just attaching the hair like so, and I'll use bobby pins. When I attach the hair, I just twist it around the band that's on the back, and then I just use bobby pins to secure the hair. So for this hairstyle, it's a lot of bobby pins. Like, I don't even think I've put as much bobby pins as I did for this hairstyle. Okay, so you definitely cannot sleep in it. But anyway, so we're just gonna attach the hair again on the other side. So what I'm doing, actually, to make sure that the rubber band is not showing, I'm just tucking the rubber band inside that thing, inside where it starts like twisting. And the first part of the twist, you just kind of want to make sure that, you know, the rubber band goes inside, that way it's not showing. And then you attach the hair to your hair. So what I'm doing is trying to attach the hair where I have the sections already, and then the rest of the parts I'll just fill them in. Okay, so for this part I was trying to have like big ones, but it didn't work. It was just gonna look ridiculous, so I took them out so I have the same size. So I bought the pre-stretched expressions. I'll put everything in the description bar, but I just wanted to let you know, like, it's 3 in each. So I used 3 packs, but I think the last one I only used 1 or 2, I don't remember, but when I check I will, you know, let you know. So anyways, so you attach the hair, and then the parts that, you know, because the hair is thin, it's not gonna like cover up the whole back, so you're gonna twist more and just, you know, put it in, that way it's hiding. Okay, and then another thing that's important is to make sure that you're still tucking in the hair as you are you're tucking in the hair in the back as you are attaching it. When you tuck it in, you use bobby pins to hide it. Okay, so like I said, you're gonna use a lot of bobby pins. I used a lot of bobby pins because it's a lot of tucking in the back to make sure that the hair is not sticking out. And you guys, you know, I always tell you the tea, you know, I always tell you the things I go through when I'm trying these hairstyles. Okay, so one of the things that I would advise is, if you're not scared of cutting hair, I would cut the hair, because if you cut it, it's going to be a little bit shorter, so you don't have to like tag a lot in the back. And trust me, that's going to be perfect. I didn't do that, but that will really be very helpful, because tagging the hair in the back was the most annoying part of this hairstyle. Anyway, so I went ahead and added some accessories that I got from Amazon, of course, and this is the finished look. It's such a beautiful bridal look, guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you like the hair. Would you rock this hairstyle? And subscribe to my channel if you haven't. What are you waiting for? Anyways, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.